how to subscribe to Filmmaker Pro Premium. First of all, open the app on your device. Then look at the top right corner of the screen and you will see the Pro button. Tap on it and you will see Upgrade to VIP. Here you will find different subscription plans such as monthly, yearly or lifetime. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment through your preferred method. Make sure your payment information is correct to avoid any issues. Once the payment is successful, your account will be upgraded to Premium and you can access all advanced editing features such as removing watermark, adding premium effects and exporting high-resolution videos. Now you know how to subscribe to Filmmaker Pro Premium. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.